Welcome back students to the second video of the chapter climate. So in the previous video we have learned regarding weather, climate and the factors that affect the climate. Right, so in this video we will learn regarding the seasons. So what do you mean by season? Seasons are periods in a year marked by specific weather condition, temperature and length of a day. So seasons are divided on the basis of weather condition, temperature and length of a day. Okay, now the climate of India is best described as tropical monsoon climate. And India experiences different types of climate because of the large size of our country and the varied relief features like coastal areas, mountains, plateaus and plains. India experiences three main seasons in a year. So what are them? Summer, winter and rainy season. So now let's learn about the seasons one by one in detail. So the summer season. So the summer season starts in the month of March and continues till June. The days are long and the nights are short. In the northern plains and the central India, the temperatures go up to 45 degrees Celsius. Hot and dry winds called the Lu blow in this region and cause dust storm. So what do you mean by dust storm? A dust storm is a strong wind which carries clouds of fine dust, soil and sand over a large area. The desert region in the northwestern part is also very hot. There are frequent sandstorms in this area and the temperature may rise up to 47 degrees Celsius. But in the coastal areas, because they are near to the sea, are neither very hot nor very cold. Okay, the cool wind which blows from the sea keeps the temperature low. However, humidity is very high. The mountains are the only areas which experience cool and pleasant climate during this time of the year. Why so? We know as the altitude increases, temperature decreases, right? Okay. And this is the reason why so many tourists visit this area in the summer season. The next season is the rainy season. So during the month of June, monsoon winds begin to blow towards the land from the sea. And these monsoon winds blow from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, carrying a large amount of moisture with them. Okay. The first shower of rains hit the Malabar coast by the first week of June and then it gradually covered the entire country except Tamil Nadu. The western coast and the northeastern part of India receive heavy rainfall. Mawsynram in the Khasi hills of Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in the world. Okay, now Rajasthan and Gujarat receives very little rainfall. The Coromandel coast, which lies in the southeastern part of India, receives rainfall during winters, during the months of November and December. The amount of rainfall is measured with the help of a rain gauge. So what is it? It is an instrument in which rainwater is collected and then measured in centimeters. Okay, so it helps us to measure the amount of rainfall in a particular region. Now the last season about which we will discuss is the winter season. So by October, the rainy season almost comes to an end across the country. The weather gradually becomes pleasant. The winter season lasts from November to February and at that time the days become short and the night becomes longer. The Himalayan region receives heavy snowfall. The northern plains also experience very cold winter conditions, especially in the month of January. The region which lie in the peninsular India experience pleasant winters and it is during this time that the Coromandel coast receive heavy rainfall. The desert region is hot during the day but becomes very cold at night. So these are the 3 seasons experienced by India in a year. Okay. Now the next topic is recent climatic changes. So climatic change is affecting our environment. Severe heat waves and harmful gases which are produced due to human activities are some of the factors which are responsible for this climatic change. So due to this climatic change, what happened? Glaciers are melting, frozen rivers and lakes are breaking up, plants and animals' habitats are becoming extinct. So these are some of the effect of climatic change. Okay, scientists have warned that if we do not take steps to prevent this climatic change, then the result would be disastrous for our generation. And according to an analysis by the World Bank, India experiencing a warm climate and unusually hot weather spells will occur more frequently. Okay, and this will affect our agriculture. Drought are expected to be more frequent in northwestern India, Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. So this climatic change has a very bad impact on our life. So we should take proper steps to prevent the climatic changes, like we should stop polluting the environment, right? We should take proper care of our environment so that can prevent the climatic changes. Okay. So students, in this video session we have discussed about the seasons of India and the recent climatic changes, right? So I hope you will go through both the videos, and thank you for giving your attention. Have a great day.